In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text and video in Veed.io. If you've ever added a title, label, or subtitle to a project and later decided it doesn't belong, this quick walkthrough will show you the cleanest way to take it out. Just a heads up, this method removes text elements you added in Veed, such as text boxes or subtitle entries. If the text is baked into the original footage, you won't be able to delete it with this approach. Start by heading to Veed and opening your home dashboard. This is where your projects live. If you're already signed in, you'll land here by default. If not, sign in and navigate to home. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct workspace so you can see the right list of projects. Next, click on the project that contains the video with the text you want to remove. This opens the editor. Give it a moment to load all tracks and assets. Once inside, you'll see your video on the canvas, the timeline below, and panels for elements like text and subtitles. Now click directly on the text or subtitle you want to remove. You can select it either on the canvas, where it appears as an overlay box, or in the timeline or subtitles panel. When it's properly selected, you'll notice a bounding box or highlight around it, and the properties panel will show controls specific to that element. If you see multiple text boxes, make sure you're clicking the one that actually appears at the current playhead position. For subtitles, select the exact subtitle entry you want to delete rather than the whole track, unless your goal is to remove that specific line only. With the unwanted text or subtitle selected, press backspace or the delete key on your keyboard. The element should disappear immediately from the canvas and timeline. If nothing happens, double check that the element is really selected or that it isn't locked. If you remove the wrong item, use undo, Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac to bring it right back. If your keyboard requires a function modifier for delete, hold the necessary key and try again. Scrub through the timeline to confirm the text is gone everywhere it appeared. If the same text was duplicated across different moments, repeat the selection and delete action for each instance. Veed autosaves as you work, so your changes are preserved. From here, you can continue editing or export your video as you normally would. That's it. Quick, precise, and clean. Thanks for watching and happy editing.